Two visionaries and one common ingredient, passion. From turning a family recipe into a multimillion-dollar empire to revolutionizing cookie dough for a healthier world, we've researched these stories prove that baking dreams can lead to incredible success. Welcome to Humane Startups, free side hustles, where we deem a maximum $50 budget acceptable as free. I'd like to introduce to you the cookie masterminds behind Wally Amos and Sweet Loren's. Two tales of resilience, innovation, and deliciously sweet rewards. Wally Amos, a former talent agent, transformed his aunt's chocolate chip cookie recipe into a household name. With a $25,000 loan from Marvin Helen Reddy, he opened the first famous Amos store in Los Angeles in 1975. Amos's innovative marketing, featuring his charismatic personality and commitment to quality ingredients, helped his cookies stand out in a crowded market. Though financial challenges later forced him to leave his company, his resilience and ability to reinvent himself paved the way for future ventures, cementing his legacy as a pioneer in the gourmet cookie industry. Loren Castle. After surviving stage 2 Hodgkin lymphoma, Loren Castle turned her quest for healthy, delicious desserts into Sweet Loren's, a brand revolutionizing cookie dough. From her kitchen experiments to personally promoting her products in supermarkets, Castle's hands-on approach and unwavering commitment to natural, allergen-free ingredients resonated with health-conscious consumers. Her perseverance transformed Sweet Loren's into the #1 natural cookie dough brand, now available in 25,000 supermarkets nationwide, inspiring others to turn personal struggles into impactful success stories.
Starting a gourmet cookie side hustle requires a clear understanding of your market, niche, and budget to ensure success. The target market focuses on 3 key groups: health-conscious individuals, busy professionals, and families. For example, a local survey of a gym community or parents at a school PTA meeting can help gauge interest in allergen-free or plant-based cookies. Initially, a local focus minimizes logistical challenges and allows personal interactions, such as participating in neighborhood events or sharing samples with local coffee shops. Leveraging trends like the rising demand for gluten-free or vegan desserts positions your product in a growing niche. For instance, in a local market of 500 health-conscious individuals, securing just 10% as repeat customers at $5 per order could yield $250 in initial revenue. Choosing a niche helps differentiate the product from competitors. The plan targets 3 possibilities since Udo-1 gourmet cookies using premium ingredients like organic chocolate chips and Madagascar vanilla, appealing to a luxury-seeking audience. ND2 health-conscious cookies, such as vegan chocolate cookies made with almond flour, catering to people with dietary restrictions, and 3 customized cookies, allowing designs or flavor combinations for events like birthdays or weddings. For example, offering a dozen allergen-free cookies at $10 could attract health-conscious buyers, while gourmet options at $15 per dozen could cater to a premium crowd. This approach taps into varied markets without overcomplicating production. Finally, a budget of $50 a week ensures the business remains low risk and manageable for a solo entrepreneur. This includes $20 for small doll batch premium ingredients, $10 for eco-friendly packaging, $10 for marketing G, boosting a post on Instagram or printing flyers, and $10 for miscellaneous expenses like electricity or baking tools. For instance, purchasing high-quality chocolate chips and flour from local suppliers in bulk can reduce costs over time while supporting local businesses. Using handwritten labels for packaging saves money and adds a personal touch that resonates with small batch buyers. This controlled spending keeps the side hustle feasible while reinvesting early profits into growth. The first step is to start small and test the market by using your home kitchen and focusing on perfecting a few recipes. Allocate 35 hours weekly to bake small batches of cookies, ensuring consistent quality while keeping costs low. For instance, creating 3 varieties: vegan chocolate chip, gluten-free oatmeal raisin, and classic double chocolate offers diversity while maintaining simplicity. Each batch can yield 24 cookies with ingredient costs around $10 per batch. Offer these samples to friends, family, or local community members in exchange for honest feedback. For example, distributing 50 free cookies at a neighborhood event or gym class can help identify crowd favorites while spreading word of mouth buzz. Once recipes are refined, the next step is to secure your first customers. Start with your personal network by offering cookies for events like birthdays, Earth Days, or office gatherings. Selling a dozen cookies for $10 ensures affordability while covering costs and generating a small profit. Another tactic is to approach local coffee shops or small grocery stores to sell on consignment, where you split profits after their sale. For instance, if a calf sells 20 dozen cookies a month at $12 per dozen, and you earn 7 per dozen, that's $140 in monthly revenue. Additionally, platforms like Facebook Marketplace and Etsy are excellent for reaching local buyers who value handmade goods. A listing for artisan vegan cookies, priced at $15 per dozen, could attract eco-conscious buyers. Creative marketing is essential to gaining visibility and building a loyal customer base. Social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok are powerful tools for promoting your products. Dedicate 2 to 3 hours weekly to post photos, recipe snippets, and customer testimonials. For instance, creating a short video showing the process of baking gluten-free cookies could go viral, attracting attention from local audiences. Additionally, share your story, such as why you started this business and how you focus on premium or allergen-free ingredients to build an emotional connection with your customers. Incentivize referrals by offering a freezin for cookies for every 3 new customers brought in by word of mouth. These tactics combine low-cost marketing with genuine connections, maximizing reach within a limited budget and time frame. To ensure long-term success, focus on building consistency in production and quality. Allocate 10 of your 15 weekly hours to baking and managing orders, ensuring each batch matches customer expectations in taste, appearance, and packaging. Use tools like spreadsheets to track ingredient usage and production times, minimizing waste and improving efficiency. For example, if demand increases to 50 dozen cookies per month, consistency in measuring ingredients and maintaining a standardized baking process can save time and reduce errors. Even slight variations in quality can hurt repeat sales, so maintaining your signature flavor profiles and visual appeal is critical. Pricing at $12 per dozen while keeping ingredient costs at $5 per dozen ensures a 58% profit margin, providing room for growth. With quality secured, the next step is to expand your reach through strategic partnerships and local events. Approach local schools, clubs, or offices to supply cookies for meetings or events, offering bulk discounts. For instance, a school ordering 10 dozen cookies for a fundraiser at 10 per dozen generates $100 in revenue while promoting your brand to a wider audience. Farmers, markets, and community events are excellent venues to showcase your cookies. Renting a stall for $20 and selling 50 dozen cookies at $12 per dozen could bring in $600 in one day. Even after deducting the stall fee, collaborations with local bloggers or influencers who align with your brand TG, those promoting health, conscious, or gourmet lifestylists, can also boost visibility. Offering them free cookies in exchange for a post or review is a cost-effective way to grow. Finally, reinvesting in growth ensures sustainability. Dedicate 20–30% of your profits to purchasing supplies in bulk to lower per unit costs. For instance, buying ingredients like flour and chocolate chips in larger quantities may reduce costs from $5 to $3 per dozen, increasing your profit margin. Use additional revenue to upgrade packaging, such as custom printed boxes, enhancing your brand's professionalism. Expand your advertising budget from $10–20 to $2 weekly to boost social media posts or run targeted ads, reaching more local customers. By gradually scaling while reinvesting profits, you can grow the side hustle into a more substantial business without exceeding your 15-hour weekly time limit or initial $50 budget.
Starting a gourmet cookie side hustle is a low-risk, rewarding way to turn your passion into profits by identifying a target market. Health-conscious individuals and cookie lovers, focusing on a niche like vegan, allergen-free, or premium cookies, and sticking to a $50 budget. You can launch with minimal risk. Begin small by perfecting recipes and testing with your network, securing early customers through personal connections, local shops, and social media. Consistency and quality are key as you grow, leveraging creative marketing and reinvesting profits into better ingredients, packaging, and advertising. With just 15 hours a week, you can scale through partnerships, farmers markets, and bulk orders, steadily building a profitable, sustainable business. Thanks for tuning in, Cookie Dreamers. Remember, it's not just about baking. It's about building something uniquely yours. With just a little time, a sprinkle of creativity, and a dash of determination, you can turn your kitchen into a launch pad for success. So, whether you're chasing that perfect vegan recipe or crafting gourmet treats that wow, take the first step today. Hit that like button if you're inspired, subscribe for more side hustle ideas, and let's keep baking dreams into reality. One cookie at a time. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Drop your wildest ideas in the comments and subscribe to see them come to life. I hope one day I can show you the dream, where ideas come alive and gleam, where each spark can start a fire and lift us higher.
I can show you the dream, where ideas come alive and gleam, where each spark can start a fire and lift us higher. Imagine all we could do, from a spark that's bold and true, turning hopes into reality. Just wait and see. A world we'll build, it's bright and shining.